Have you ever asked an AI tool a question and received a disappointing answer? Then you ask the same question in a different way and suddenly get an excellent response. Why does this happen? The secret often lies in something called prompt engineering. Today we will learn what prompt engineering is and why it is becoming one of the most important skills in the age of artificial intelligence. Hello everyone and welcome to Riaz Academy. Millions of people use AI tools such as ChatGPT every day. However, many users do not get the best results because they do not know how to communicate effectively with AI. This is where prompt engineering becomes important. Let us understand it in a simple and practical way. Before understanding prompt engineering, we must first understand the word prompt. A prompt is simply an instruction, request, or question that you give to an AI system. For example, explain artificial intelligence, write a short story, translate this paragraph in Urdu. All of these are prompts. The quality of the prompt often affects the quality of the response. Prompt engineering is the process of designing clear and effective prompts to obtain better results from AI systems. In simple words, prompt engineering means learning how to ask AI the right question in the right way. The better the prompt, the better the output is likely to be. Imagine asking a student, tell me about science. This question is very broad. Now imagine asking, explain the solar system to a 10-year-old student in simple language. The second instruction is much clearer. As a result, the answer will usually be more useful. The same principle applies to AI systems. Clear instructions often produce better results. Suppose you type, write about AI. The AI may not know how long the article should be, who the audience is, what level of detail is required. The result may be too general. Now consider this prompt. Write a 200-word article explaining artificial intelligence to beginners using simple language and practical examples. This prompt provides clear guidance. As a result, AI can generate more focused and useful response. There are several ways to improve prompts. Be clear, be specific, mention the target audience, mention the desired format, mention the length if necessary, provide context when possible. The more useful information you provide, the better the AI can assist you. Prompt engineering can help students, teachers, writers, researchers, programmers, business professionals, and content creators. Anyone who uses AI tools can benefit from this skill. Prompt engineering can improve results, but it cannot make AI perfect. AI may still generate mistakes. It may sometimes misunderstand instructions. Therefore, important information should always be checked and verified. As AI becomes more powerful, the ability to communicate more effectively will become increasingly valuable. Many experts believe that prompt engineering will remain an important skill in education, business, and technology. Prompt engineering is not about using complicated words. It is about giving clear, accurate, and meaningful instructions. When humans communicate better with AI, they can achieve better results. Prompt engineering is one of the simplest yet most valuable skills in the AI era. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Riaz Academy. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep exploring the world of artificial intelligence. Goodbye.